Welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 31 with the FX Maverick Compact in 22. So again, picking up where number 30 left off. I'm still at that farm. And of course it's nesting season, so I'm seeing parents come through and then fledglings as well. So sparrow's sitting nice. Now this next shot, I almost got a double on this when he comes streaking across. Look at that. Just off by ever so little. So, oh well, it was pretty close. I was pretty excited about that. So, again, I'll just let you take it all in, watch them all, and just add commentary as needed. But notice that a lot of these are pillows when they get shot by the Maverick. I mean, it's just they explode into a burst of feathers. This guy thinks he's hiding. Yeah, not so much. Drop him and. But a lot of them are like pillows after the 22 hits them. So. This one, watch the wind change all of a sudden on this. All of a sudden those feathers come up and go across. Same thing on this one. They go to the right and then they lift up. And it's like, where did that come from? This is a really fast shot. I can't believe I got him, but I did. That was nice. These two are sitting right next to each other. And I take out this one, and the other one just flies just a little bit to the right. I'm like, are you nuts? It's like, okay, I'll take you too. This one, he must have hopped or something, but I shot that starling, and that's where his nest is, and he doesn't move. So it's not like I missed him. He just jumped up there. You can still see him right there on the right. It's like, that was kind of different. Here comes another pillow. Those buildings you see in the back, oh, we got a hanger, I forgot about him. The building you see in the back, that's like 200, 250 yards away, so it's not like I have a chance of ever hitting him. Here's a starling fledgling, and he's having a hard day. It just got worse. But he is a hanger, if there ever was a hanger. And I kid you not, he hung there for almost a solid minute. And I'm like, well, I'm not showing this forever, so we cut away and go to another bird. Another nice pillow. This one I drop them, and then you'll see this robot in the back, and that's a pusher for all the silage. So he comes down both sides of the main aisle, and he pushes all the silage back against the wall for the cows to eat. Here's a hanger trapeze artist guy. Sorry for the glare, it's early morning, but I see this guy, and I go ahead and get him. You'd think the other ones would fly away, but no. This guy sticks his head out. I'm like, okay. So I take him out, and then I get a third one sticking his head out, and I'm like, can we make this 3 in a row? Can we? Can we? No, we can't. Here's the first sparrow that goes into the gutter, and I was surprised at how many the gutters ate on this day. Just amazed at how many went into the gutters. There's number 2 into the gutter. Can I make it number 3? No. This guy's only like 10 yards away, so I can't pass him up. And this guy's saying hi to somebody. I don't know who, so I'm like, well, you're up there, so we'll take you out. This one's sitting so perfect, I couldn't pass him up. And drop him. It's a nice 50-yard shot. Really happy with this one. This one's just looking around, so. I spot this guy. Think I can get him? Heck no. Here's gutter number 3. There's almost got him, but no. And this guy comes flying in after the other one fell. Gutter number 4. Now this is a really cool shot. He brought in takeout, and for some reason he lost his takeout. Let's watch that again in slow motion. That was such a good shot. He falls in with the ladies, so. And there's the 5th one, number 5 in the gutter. And that's it. So thanks for watching.